sorry. I'm still kind of getting used to all this here. All right, so we got our Molly grease again, and this is our acid brush. Of course. So we're going to try to lubricate the shaft going back in, and I'm just going to magnets. Make sure the shot looks good, right? Whatever. There we go. So I mean, nothing crazy here. We're not doing a wheel bearing on a car or something. This is a skateboard wheel. We're gonna make sure that is lubricated all the way around, because she's gonna. This thing spins. With this being completely magnetic, this part doesn't really get the friction, I don't think, is the front bearing, because the front of it has. This is just kind of to keep it set. The front one has the fan, you know, so it's not gonna. All right. So hopefully this goes good. We've got, just to do a quick recap here, I guess. We have replaced both of our brushes with Bosch brushes. Actually, we were able to get legit brushes for it, which is pretty awesome. And we got good action here. See how the lines kind of. This one isn't. I'm not as happy as how that turned out, where they're kind of separating. I don't think it matters, but this one over here looks really good. I mean, she is just bow 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 bow. It's like a freaking playing a video game. Alright. We're gonna drop this thing in and see what the fuck happens, I guess. Alright, so I think that this is one of those things where, because it's magnet, you're gonna it's either gonna work or you're gonna get hurt. I don't think there's any in between. Jesus. Okay. Is that all the way in? I can't tell if that's all the way in or not. It scares the shit out of you, though. Alright, hold on. Everything performed as it was supposed to. Oh, I see what happened. The bearing in the middle thing kind of moved. That ain't good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's got some adjustment to it. What else? I might have to go get another pick or something. There we go. Looks pretty centered. Let's see if that'll go on there. Ooh, that is what you wanted to feel. Son of a bitch. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So, please nobody. It feels good. I hear this ring is moving. Wow. Well then, that thing was pretty intimidating. So we got the brushes in. We'll have to, this is the connector of the Mercedes. The original connector. We'll clean that up too. Make sure we can do a test on this joker. Love the brass brush. Seems like it does such a good job. Yeah. So I'm going to call that the end of video 1 here. It's taken a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. I mean, it sounds good, it looks good. Curious to see what's going to happen. This thing gets rolling. Next video, we're going to change the front bearing in the plate. I watched a gentleman's video about that on YouTube. Maybe I'll put it in the video there if I can find it again. He was the only reason I even attempted to do this, honestly, because it looked like it was relatively straightforward, nothing weird, just solder in some new brushes. Finding the brushes was not hard, very easy, but alright, well, I hope you guys, I hope anybody messing around with these old Mercedes kind of appreciate this video, and we'll see if we can't clean this up just a little bit. I mean, we're not making a show car here, you know, just something fun to drive around with. But you gotta have air conditioning, especially with this global warming bullshit that's going on right now. It's 110 degrees here. So anyway, I hope everybody likes this video, and we'll come back and check out the second one.